Gone are the days when work meant a 9-to-5 job. Today, in the fast-paced world of technology, when millennials are entering the workforce, a rather new definition of work has emerged. With the increased uptake of freelance jobs, it has become easier for individuals to work within their comfort zone. And that's what Nabish is all about. One of the fastest growing startups in the region that connects freelancers and employers through a fast, secured, and user-friendly platform. Operating on the Microsoft Cloud has given Nabish the tools to build a rich, scalable, and highly available infrastructure that enables them to do more, to empower the region's talented freelance community.
Nabish was founded in 2012 to be part of the solution to the unemployment challenges in the Arab world. And we're an online work marketplace that goes a step further by not only connecting businesses with talent, but we also help the talent get paid for their work wherever they are in the Arab world.
Nabish helped me to put myself on the marketplace in this region successfully and gave me a feeling that it's not so difficult as I thought in the beginning to look for flexible work.
It shows you what's going on in both industries, who's looking for what, the kind of rates that are going, what's kind of a benchmark for rates that are going on in the industry.
If you are doing your own thing, you have the flexibility of putting in the additional hours around your schedule. For instance, I can put in the hours after putting my baby to bed, so I don't miss out on his activities or his growing up years.
I was new, I didn't know anyone. So Nabish helped me find my network and the clients. Flexibility to choose between work and my priority and the schedule of my son.
And it helps me not having to choose between either my professional life or my personal life. I can do both.
I initially started looking for freelance services on the global websites, but I couldn't find someone who would understand really what I needed. And when I posted the job on Nabish, I got within a few days 7 or 8 hits or requests.
Nabish gives businesses 3 benefits. They get access to talent from the region on demand to complete specific projects. They can save up to 50% on overhead costs by hiring freelancers, and they can safely and conveniently pay talent online.
We want entrepreneurs to realize their dreams through the power of technology. Our goal is about enabling companies to do more, to be more productive.
What Nabish has done is completely transformational because we're leveraging technology to create work opportunities. Although we're a young company, we managed to create over 5,000 job opportunities in the region, and we plan to create jobs for the 400 million people in the Arab world.
So everything that we do at Nabish evolves around data. So all of the decisions we make, all of the jobs that we get posted, no matter how small, how large, what the value of them are, everything's driven by data. So we make sure that we capture the right freelancers for the right positions. This gives us better conversion rates over future. So the Microsoft Azure platform has made sure that the data that we need constantly, 24/7, is always available and ready for us at our desk.
We were able to smoothly migrate our open source systems from Amazon to Microsoft Azure, and we're very happy with the results so far.
When you look at entrepreneurs, they take their businesses personally. They really want to be successful, and they look for ways to work with companies like Microsoft to get the most possible value. And we work very closely with entrepreneurs because we as Microsoft were founded by an entrepreneur. It's in our DNA. We want to make sure that those startups that have the same kind of passion that we have day in, day out can leverage the power of this spark and really become as successful as, say, Microsoft.
Nabish.
Opportunity.
Innovative.
It works. Resourceful.
Efficient.
Transformational.
Change.
Inspiring.